Stillwater's famous juke joint is celebrating a big birthday. Distinctly Oklahoma's Gwen Faulkner Lippert joins me along with Eskimo Joe's founder, Stan Clark. Thank you both for being here.
Oh, thrilled to be here. Thank you.
That looks like my
And
time.
this is the actual day, 35 years ago that Eskimo Joe's opened. We have the commemorative T-shirt, and this weekend they will be inducted into the Beefy Tea Hall of Fame by Hanes. How many do you sell a year?
Oh, roughly 500,000 or so Hanes T-shirts.
Isn't that incredible? Tell us about the birthday this weekend. And first, I just can't believe it's been 35 years.
No, I can't.
Doesn't seem possible.
I can't either, you know.
Congratulations.
Young guy like me, how can that be so?
I can't figure it out.
But it is so very exciting, and you know, who would have thunk, so to speak.
Sure.
Wow. We opened this little bitty beer joint. It was less than 900 square feet the night we opened it, and you know, kind of wow, you just look up and 35 years have gone by, but just feel so blessed that Oklahoma's embraced us like they have, and gosh, the brand and the shirts, you know, the smile seen around the world, and you know, again, it's just hard to believe.
Oklahomans, and you're global too. I mean, kind of tell us how literally you'll see these shirts all over the world.
And what's so cool, you know, with the advent of the internet and electronic files and all that, people literally send us these photographs from all over the world, literally from the Great Wall of China to Red Square in Moscow to Vatican City. I mean, you name the spot, we've probably got a picture of one of our guests wearing a Joe's T-shirt.
And speaking of the internet, you can download a song, because Stan doesn't have enough to do. He's written a song to commemorate the birthday, and you can download it.
That's right, at EskimoJoes.com/music.
Yeah.
Just right there, just click, and it's a free download. The track is All Roads Lead to Joe's, which is the theme of our anniversary, and the theme was just so fun, you know, kind of the old All Roads Lead to Rome, you know,
Sure.
and all that. We thought All Roads Lead to Joe's, and I thought that is just a catchy song title. Surely I can do a song about that.
So the video will include the song? Is that what it's all around, the All Roads Lead to Joe's song?
That is correct. And we are going to shoot a music video at 7 p.m.
Of course you are.
This Saturday night. And we want to invite everybody to be there, be a part of history. And we actually are blocking the street again on Elm Street. So be a big street party setting. And that's the whole idea, is really we're going to shoot the crowd. That's the reason we're doing it Saturday
That's great.
night.
Tell us about the party. It's like a several days, I know, long deal.
Well, it is. It started Monday night. We had No Justice in there Monday night, and they've got a brand new CD out, and I'd love to give them a plug because they're from Stillwater and they're very, very dear friends. But moving forward tonight, it's the Hosty Duo, big time name and all across the state of Oklahoma, very popular in Stillwater. Friday night we have a Jimmy Buffett tribute band. They're called Bluffett. They have literally traveled the globe and done this Jimmy Buffett tribute thing, so that's going to be wonderful. Saturday night is the street party. Be there to be filmed. Be a part of our video, and the Bart Crow Band plays. They're the headliners.
Congratulations and happy birthday.
Thank you so very much.
Thank you, Stan. And Gwen, always great to see you. We'll see you next week. Back in a moment.